Hello guys, let's start with another problem, that is GFG pattern solving problem number 10. What is given? We are given an integer n as input and we have to print output something like this. Guys, if you can see clearly what is happening here, if you can see clearly, let me show you guys. See, this first half represents the left right angle triangle and this second half represents the inverted left triangle. Am I correct? Don't we have solved these two problems separately before? I think we have. We can combine them. Got it? So let's try to solve the first problem. We have solved it before also. What is given? So what is the rule for printing the patterns? The rule is very simple. We have to define one nested loops, okay, for loops. The first one represents the number of rows and the second one represents the number of columns, and according to that we have to print. If I talk about a normal left angle triangle, it is simple that I starts from 1 I till n I plus plus, and then the inner loop, which is representing column, starts from 1 till I and j plus plus. Why? Because it is normal left angle triangle. So in first row, 1 star is there, in second row 2 stars are there, in third row 3 stars are there. So simply we are moving our inner loop from 1 to number of rows, that is it is printing, and we are printing our star with a gap because here there is a gap. At last we are simply changing our row or moving to the next line. Got it? Using system.out.println. What will it do? What will this do? It will print the first half, the upper left angle triangle. For the lower inverted left angle triangle, what I have to do? Again, I have to use nested loops, okay, and I have to start in the reverse order. So here it would be starting from n minus 1. Why? Because see, the input is 5 and in the first row of the inverted left angle triangle we are printing only 4 stars, that is n minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4, so we are printing only 4 stars. So we would start our loop from n minus 1 till 1 such that in each row it will print that many numbers of stars. Got it? So let me system.out.print it with a space. Got it? And then I'll change my line. Using system.out.println. Why? Because I have to change my line or change the row. That's it. It is printing the inverted left angle triangle, lower inverted left angle triangle, and this thing is printing the upper left angle triangle. This thing is printing the lower inverted left angle triangle. Let's try to run it. Oh, yeah, it is working absolutely fine for 5. I have used for 8 as well. It is working absolutely fine. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, it is working absolutely fine. If you'll solve this problem for the first time, you might get a marks as well. What about the time and space complexity, guys? For the first one, the time complexity is 1 plus 2 plus 3 till n. In each row we are printing, so it would be n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and the time complexity for this is n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus 1. So it is n minus 1 into n divided by 2. So it is also big O of n square, and this is also equals to big O of n square. Hence total big O of n square plus big O of n square, it is big O of n square. What about the space complexity? Guys, as you can see, I am initializing integer I and j variable only. So it is constant, space complexity is constant, that is big O of 1. Got it? That's it, guys, that's it. Please watch, like and subscribe my videos, and please, it's a humble request, please solve the quiz at the last. It will boost your problem solving abilities. Bye bye, guys.